Hello everyone. Today we're doing Leetcode Kotlin, doing this problem called minimize maximum pair sum and arrays. So the problem, they're defining pair sum, we're just giving a pair A and B is equal to A plus B. So the maximum pair sum is the largest pair sum in a list of pairs. So if we have a list of pairs, for example, they have here 1, 5, 2, 3, and 4, 4. The pair sum of each one of them would be 6, 5, and 8. And then the maximum pair sum would be 8. And that is what we want to return. So they give us some more information, given an array nums of even length n per of the elements of nums into n divided by two pairs such that each element of nums is exactly one pair and the maximum pair is minimize. Return the minimize maximum pair sum after optimally pairing up the elements. Wow, that is a lot of min max going on and sounds confusing at first, but let's go over it. So given an array of nums, we want to uh, satisfy these two conditions. So each element of nums is in exactly one pairs. So we have four elements in here, so we could generate two pairs because n divided by two, uh, 4 divided by 2 is 2, so we could generate two pairs. And we want to return the maximum pair sum that is minimized through this combination. So over on the right over here, I'm gonna have these four elements written down and show you all the possible pairs that we could generate. So, first one just following this, and then we could have 3, 2, and then that give us 5, 3. These are two, or actually the same. So we can actually skip this one. We have 3, 3, and 5, 2. And we see that the maximum sum here is 8 and down here is 7. So this is what we want to return. So we want to return 7 at the end. And in order to do this, there's actually like a shortcut if we just sort the array. So if we try to sort the array above, right, we get into this function and um, we can just pair up uh, the element from the leftmost to the rightmost, and then move the two pointers into the center and generate pair each time. And this works because we are always using smallest number plus the highest number. And even though the numbers in the middle could be bigger, but they are adding the smallest and the biggest of the array range within. If they try to go get a value from outside of it and mess up the scale where it would like generate a bigger maximum that way. So by sorting it and then just reading the values from all the way to the left and all the way to the right and moving the pointers into the center, you should be able to return the minimize maximum pair sum. So that's what we will be doing today. So first step, like I mentioned, we want to sort the array. So just using built-in sorting function. And then we want to uh, create a variable max. I'm gonna first set it to null. I'm gonna first set the max to null since we haven't initialized it yet. And then we want to create a left pointer. So this should always start at 0 and then right pointer, which should equals to num size minus 1. So left pointer all the way at the left, right all the way at the and then a generic while loop while left pointer is smaller than right pointer, then we want to continue this loop. And this is where we define the max equals to so if max is not null, then we want to do math.max of earn max and nums of do I need to store the pair? No, I don't care about that. Right? So nums of the left pointer plus nums of right pointer and right. And if it doesn't, then do the same thing here. So this defines max. So if this is the first time you're going to do it, max would equals to left pointer plus right pointer. So 2 plus 5. And if this is second iteration, it will go through here where we do a max of the existing max or the new numbers adding up. And then we want to move the pointers, left pointer move to the right, right pointer moving to the left, and finally at the end we want to return max. And we're gonna run oh, left pointer, right pointer, POINTR. Sorry. Smallcast is a logo that is captured by changing. Cool. I think I also change this to it because I'm using the lit. So it was just complaining because I was reusing the variable names. Submitting this. Accept it.